everyone, in this video I will show you how to fix wireless charging not working on Samsung Galaxy A57. Let's start the video. First of all, start by just click and hold side power button and click on this restart icon. Again tap on this restart icon, you will see phone is restart. After restarting, enter phone pin. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, go to app library, scroll down and click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on battery. After click on battery, click on wireless power sharing. Click on charging settings. If you want to fix this problem, so enable fast wireless charging. After enable fast wireless charging, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.